So we have learned about nouns, proper noun, common noun and collective noun, and we have done small exercises based on these nouns, and we will be doing further exercises in future. Now let us see the nouns, the plural rules. So when you want to change a singular into a plural, we need to follow certain rules. So let us see what are the rules, and by studying what are the rules, we will be able to do the exercise even better. So let us see the rules one by one. So the first plural rules are, most times you just add s. So when I say there is a boy in the class, there are boys in the class, so we just add the alphabet s at the side. Say for example, we say one boy and many boys, so we just add the alphabet s at the side of the word, so we just write s, boy, boys. In the next sentence, in the next example I have, we say girl, one girl, many girls. So again we just add s to the word. So I just add the word s to the word. Then we have, so these are the first rule, that is most times you just add s. So this is the first example. When we move on to the second rule is, when a word ends in y, we have to just remove the y, that is drop the y and add ies. So I repeat the second rule once more. When a word ends in y, we have to drop the y and add ies. So we see, let us see what is a word. So we have the word berry. So we have the word berry which ends in y. So it ends in y. So when we make it as in a plural, we drop the y and we write the word berries. So we add ies. We drop the y and we add ies. So when a word ends in y, drop the y and add ies. So we have the word ferry, ferry, we have the word ferry, so we drop the y and we add ferries. So we add the word, we add the alphabets ies. So this is the second rule, plural rule. Now moving on to the third rule is, if the word ends in ch, s, sh, x or z. So if a word ends in all these alphabets, then we add es. So when a word ends in ch, s, sh, x or z, we add es to the word. So for example, let us see an example for each word. So a word that ends in ch. So we have the word church. The word church, it ends in ch. So then we add es. So we write churches, church, and we add the alphabets es. So we add es. So word ends in ch. Next we have, again another example is switch. We have, it ends in ch. So then we add es, switches, switches. So we add es. The next is when the word ends in sh. So we have the word brush, brush, brush. So it ends in sh. So we add es. brush. So we add the words brushes. So when the word ends with ch, we add es. Churches, switch, switches, brush, brushes. So let us see some more examples of these words.